Good day everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about slicing string in Python programming. First of foremost, let's define slicing. In any programming language, slicing is a maybe a little bit back, is a unique way of creating a subset of a string. Okay, there is a general system for doing this, syntax for doing this. There is a general syntax for doing this. Okay, it's as follow. One, we have my string, the string name, then square bracket we have start index followed by end index, as the case may be. Remember, the start index is inclusive while the end index is exclusive, as the case may be. Let's illustrate with an example, as the case may be. Okay, create another set. Now call back our string, my string 1. Okay, then print my underscore string 1. Now let's start. I want to start from the first index, which is 0. I create a subset from the word communication, then the last index, which is 4. Okay, as the case may be. I'll copy the print command and let's see. Shift enter. So that I created a subset from the word communication. C, I have the index number of 0. O, I have the index number of 1. M, the first M, I have the index number of 2. The last one, I have the index number of 3. 4, which is U, is excluded according to the general syntax, so we must follow conventional principle, as the case may be. So let's see another way we can do this slicing string in Python programming. For example, if I want to do something unique, or example -1 -1 okay, so I'm just add the same method as the previous one. Shift enter. So this is what happened. The first case, I print the very last element, which is -1, and the same from the right. Now in the second case, I printed indexing from the left, but stop at a number by second to the last element, so that's why I stop at O. This one is normal conventional way of ranging within this range from index number of this to this. That's what happened here. Another way of doing this index, very simple. These are the subset of the word communication we are creating here. So what about if I want to print the first every second element in our string? What we do, we use double column 1. So double column 2, shift enter, so that it will print every second element in our index, every second element. Yes. Example, if I want to let's assume if I want to print every third element, the same thing, just change it to 3, shift enter, so that I print every. Okay, let's analyze. Now the index number of C is 0, which okay 0. So I'm explaining this. 0, 1, 2. M is created. See, M is added, just like I saying it. M added 1, 2. U is added 1, 2. I is added, as the case may be. What about if I want to print the reverse of the words? Just remove this 2 -1, as the case may be. it will start printing from O down to C. Let's run our program. Should enter. Do this our word. It start printing from N with this N, O, as the case may be. So this method can also be used in lists, not only in string. Okay, let's create a list and repeat all the command prompts we have displayed here. Okay, my list, create a list of number. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, as the case may be. Okay, let's print, sorry, a little bit, print. Okay, my list, square bracket, started from the range method. Okay, all right, things get simpler. Just copy, repeat the same action. I'm going to scroll down. Okay, let's continue. First one. Okay, after the range, let's put a number. Start with first one. Okay, -1, no end. Okay, claim this, -1. Then the next one is okay. Just okay, repeat. Okay, every second element in this place. What we used, okay, double column, put 2. Every third element in this case, double column, put 3. So there's one more command we need to show here. I'll talk about reversing the position of the string. Just put double column, -1, the case may be, to print the reverse. That's one of, okay, this is our output. Okay, the first one, -1, print the last element of the string, is 8. Then the second command, print from 0 at the first index down to the second to the last element, excluding the last. That's what I mean. Now the third command prompt is print every second element. Index number 0 1 2, third 1 2 5 1 2 7, at the case may be. The next command talk about print every third element. Index number 0 1 2 3. Okay, index number 0 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 7, at the case may be. Now this last command promise reverse the element. Let the last element become the first and the first element becomes the last. So that's what we do. That's why we see that it automatically arranges from 8 to 1 instead of from 1 to 7, as the case may be. So thank you very much. We'll continue from here next class. Our next class will be our basic operation in Python string. See you next time. Have a nice day.